Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker and wanted to share it with you. I've been hearing so much about the benefits of eating cultured dairy with the L Reuteri probiotic that I wanted to give it a try. If you haven't heard about it yet, check out the book Supergut by Dr. William Davis. I'll put a link in the description for where you can get a free month of audio or digital books on Amazon if you want to check it out before you buy the book, and I'll put the link to the book there too. So the problem that I had with wanting to make the culture at home was that it has to be kept at about 100 degrees for 36 hours, and I didn't have a way to keep the temperature constant for that long, so I decided to order this Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. I chose this particular brand because it had great reviews on Amazon, and it comes with an unlimited lifetime warranty. Here's the box. It looks pretty sleek. It says you can make all sorts of probiotic yogurts and cultured drinks, which is exactly what I'm hoping for. As you can see, the packaging is pretty secure. The box is lighter than I expected, and I'm having a little trouble getting it out of the box, but it's just because the padding is so secure for the shipping. You might do better if you have another set of hands to help you on this part. Inside, we've got the paperwork with a thank you note from the company, some promotional materials, and here's one that says that I can get a set of jars for free if I leave a review on social media. I'll definitely be doing that. And here's a quick start guide with operating instructions and a couple recipes for yogurt. The Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker comes in two different models. I got the one with the 8 individual jars, but there's also one that comes with 2 1-quart size containers if you'd rather make larger containers and not the individual serving jars. Inside we've got the yogurt maker itself. Wow, it's smaller than I expected, which is great because it won't take up as much counter space, especially since it's going to be out for 36 hours. The base is plastic and it's really lightweight. There's also the 8 6-ounce jars here, and these are made out of glass, but they have plastic lids. The jars are dishwasher safe, but the lids are going to have to be hand washed. They're pretty thin plastic, but they are BPA free. I saw that the base of the machine is also 100% BPA free. The lid of the machine is a clear plastic, and you can see the full setup looks pretty sleek. So my first impressions of the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker are really positive. It looks great. Seems to be easy to use, and I'm really excited to try it out. In the next video, I'm going to be making some L Reuteri cultured milk, so make sure that you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that. I'll also link to the yogurt maker in the description below and the extra jars, and in case you want to try it before you watch the next video, I'll link the probiotic starter that I'm going to use and the inulin that I'll need, so that way you can see which ingredients I'm using before I even make the next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.